Hi friends, today we are taking you on a trip on India's first funicular transit system. Climbing a number of winding stairs is a big effort for many, especially senior citizens and the physically challenged. And it becomes next to impossible when it comes to climbing hundreds of steps on hillsides to reach shrines on mountain tops. It is well known that many pilgrimage centers across India, like the Mata Vaishno Devi temple in Jammu and Kashmir, Arulmiga Dandayuthapani Lord Murugan temple in Tamil Nadu, Sabarimala in Kerala, Tirupati Venkateshwara temple in Andhra Pradesh, Sharda Mata temple in Madhya Pradesh, Ma Naina Devi temple in Himachal Pradesh, and many others are located on the top of mountains. In Maharashtra itself, there are many hilltop temples like the Jivdani Devi temple at Virar near Mumbai, Equira Devi temple at Karla near Lonavla, Sri Girijatmach Ganpati temple at Leniadri near Junnar, Saptashringi Nivasini Devi temple at Nanduri near Nashik, Khandova temple at Jejuri near Pune. Making use of modern technological advancements, some of the pilgrim centers have introduced cable car gondola system ropeways to transport the devotees and ease their visit to the shrines atop the hill. Now, a new hill slope transit system called funicular train has been introduced in India for the first time. Though a funicular rail system is a new concept in India, it has been in existence in Europe and the United States of America for over a century. Funicular is a type of a grade separated fixed guideway transit system powered by a cable traction designed for steep inclines. Specifically, this system is using two counterbalanced track-guided passenger cars or small trains permanently attached to the opposite ends of a single cable which is looped over a pulley at the upper end of the track. The funicular's two cars move in concert. As one ascends, the other descends simultaneously, an arrangement that distinguishes a funicular from other cable-guided transportation systems like a single-car inclined elevator or a ropeway. The term funicular is derived from the Latin word funiculus, the diminutive of funis, meaning rope. In the year 2018, Saptashringi in Maharashtra became India's first town to have a funicular transit system to transport pilgrims to the hilltop temple. This unique rail with two trolleys can carry 60 passengers each one way at a time, covering a distance of 330 feet in just 3 minutes flat. In 2010, the temple town was awarded a B-grade tourism site for several infrastructural developments. Under this, the Maharashtra government approved the construction of a funicular transit system from the hill base to the temple on a build-operate-transfer basis. The project cost was then estimated at Rs 31.40 crore, but it escalated to Rs 97.87 crores due to the delay in project completion for various factors like plan approvals, space clearance, temple permissions, Gram Panchayat approvals, Ministry of Environment and Forests and Pollution Control Board approvals, and local resistance. Finally, on 4th March 2018, after various testings, this unique funicular transit system was inaugurated by the then Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. The funicular rail system is constructed and maintained by Suyog Garbaksini Funicular Ropeways Limited. Saptashringi is a site of Hindu pilgrimage situated around 65 kilometers north of Nashik city. According to Hindu belief, the goddess Saptashringi Nivasini Devi dwells within the 7 mountain peaks. Sapta means 7 and Shrung means peaks in Marathi. It is located in Nanduri, a small village in Kalwan Taluka of Nashik district. Large number of devotees visit this shrine every day, and the number swells manyfold during festive occasions. The temple is also popularly known as one of the 3.5 Shakti Peeths of Maharashtra. Saptashringi Nivasini Devi is the Kuladaivat, family deity of many Hindus from the northern districts of Maharashtra like Nashik, Dhule, Jalgaon, etc. It is a custom for just married couples of these families to make their first visit to the temple immediately after marriage to seek the blessings of the goddess to pray for progeny to carry on their lineage. Similar to the Saptashringi funicular rail, a Vinch train is in service at Palani Hill, one of the abodes of Lord Murugan in Dindigul district of Tamil Nadu, to transport devotees 951 feet from the base to the hilltop temple in 8 minutes.